Hey guys, so today we're just chilling, watching some soccer.
Man, it really looks like it's about to rain out here.
So Monkey just totally ditched me. I need to find the perfect branch to just chill in this rain.
Oh yeah, this branch looks like a really nice spot. Perfect. Man, this view, it's just so nice, you know? All green, all wet. Hey guys, check out this little dude just chilling in the rain.
Woo! This is some gnarly weather we're having up here. Totally wild.
Well, looks like it's nap time for me. I'll catch you guys later. Stay dry or don't.